Hey guys, do we have a treat for you today? If you're an investor looking to buy an investment property with 3 units, this may be for you. If you are someone looking to buy an investment property and live in there, what if I told you there is an additional 800 square foot detached dwelling unit in the backyard, 3 bedrooms. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so new, the power is just being turned on and the stickers are being taken off. You're absolutely gonna love it. Where are we right now? We're in central Barrie. You're walking distance to the mall, you're walking distance to downtown, you're on the bus route. What more do you want? Let's go inside and take a peek. You're gonna ask yourself, why is this duplex any different than any other one on the market right now? They don't come available very often, like I said before, because you have the coach house in the back. You also have 2 3-bedroom units for extra income. You have over 1,000 square feet of living space on the top and the bottom. You also have 2 great living spaces outside. You have a covered deck upstairs and you have a walkout downstairs. That is what I'm talking about. We're in the backyard now. We're in the coach house. Like I said earlier, it's over 800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, so big you're not even allowed to create these by building code in the city of Barrie anymore. This lot is huge though. You don't need to worry about that. You have multiple different living spaces. This thing is so new, the power isn't even turned on yet. And the best part is separate hydro meters, so the tenants pay the utilities. I said it before and it's worth saying again, the sheer size of this property allows for pure tenant enjoyment. This coach house is perfectly situated on the property, over 220 feet deep, and it is allowing beyond these double sliding doors about 50 feet for this coach house only, and also the duplex has their own living space as well. We are the Knowles Wolseley team. We know investment properties. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.